Today I shall start exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Now I explain the question. This is a line segment AB and coordinate of the point A is -1, 7 and coordinate of the B is given 4, -3, and P is a point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. So this 2 I have taken M1 and this is M2. Okay. Now in this problem we have to use section formula. So by section formula, x is the coordinate of the point, x is the x coordinate of the point P and y is the y coordinate of the point P. So now x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now what is x1? x1 is the coordinate, x1 y1 is the coordinate of point A. x1 equal to -1, y1 equal to 7 and m1 equal to 2. And now x2 equal to 4, y2 equal to -3 and m2 equal to 3. Now we have used this formula. X equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now put the values and all the digits you should write within the bracket. Okay. So 2 into 4, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 and by m1 plus m2. So we get 8 minus 3 by 5, that is 5 by 5, 1, and y equal to, by formula, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now you put the given values and get -6 plus 21 by 5, that is 15 by 5 is 3. So coordinate of the point P is 1, 3. Okay. Now question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Now AB is the line segment. Coordinate of A is 4, -1 and coordinate of B is -2, -3. It is trisected, that is 2 points should be taken here, P and Q, whose coordinates are taken XY and ST. Now the line segment AB is trisected by the point P, XY and Q, ST. Question number 1. Because you have to determine XY and ST both. So for the coordinates of the point P, XY, AP ratio BP equal to 1:2. This is the two parts, 1:2. So x1 equal to 4, y1 equal to -1. This is the coordinate of point A, and m1 equal to 1. This is, and x2, y2 are the coordinates of the point B. Okay, and m2 equal to 2. Now x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now you write the values within the bracket. Now after calculation we get -2 plus 8 by 3, that is 6 by 3, 2. And y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. And all the values you write within the brackets. And get -3 plus -2 by 3, that is -5 by 3. So coordinate of the point P is 2, -5 by 3. Now second part, for the coordinates, this part, for the coordinate of the point QST, AQ ratio BQ. So here is two parts, so 2:1. So x1, y1, coordinate of the point A, and this is m1, 2. And x2, y2, coordinate of the point B, and this is m2 equal to 1. Now same thing, S equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. And you write the values, whatever given. Now minus 4 plus 4 by 3. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. It is 0. 0 by 3 0. And again t equal to m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. You write the values whatever given in question. So minus 6 minus 1 by 3, that is minus 7 by 3. So coordinate of the point Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Now come to the question number 3. This is a ground. This is a ground, rectangular ground, where apart 1 meter the lines are drawn, okay, by chalk. Line to run for the students. Here apart 1 meter, 1 2 3, these are digits, lines are drawn. This is along the x-axis, and along y-axis also apart 1 meter 100 flower pots are kept. So it is 100 meter, and here is also lines are drawn. So of a rectangular shape ground, in x-axis each numbers are 1 meter apart, and in y-axis each numbers are also 1 meter apart. And question is, Niharika, a student, runs 1/4 of the distance AD. This direction students are running. So Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on second line and posts a green flag. And Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. So first question is, what is the distance between the two flags? And second question, Reshmi, another girl, posts a blue flag halfway between two above flags. Where should she post her flag? Now listen. This is the ground. On the second line, a student is running up to 1/4 of the ground. The ground is 100 meter. So 1/4 means 1 by 4 into 100, that is 25. So the coordinate of this point means at this point the red flag is posted, okay, and in red or green flag is posted. So the coordinate of the point A is 2 comma 25, because she is running at the second line, and 25 means 1/4 of 100, that is 25. And the another girl, Preet, is running on the 8th line, and 1/5 of the total distance of the AD means vertically distance. So 1/5 means 1 by 5 into 100, that is 20. So I have written here coordinate of the point B is 8 comma 20. So here at point A, Niharika posts a flag, and at point B, Preet posts a flag. So question is, what is the distance between the two flags? Now A equal to 2 comma 25, because 2 into 100 into 1 by 4, and position of the red flag posted by Preet equal to B, 8 comma 100 into 1 by 5, that is 8 comma 20. So AB is the distance. Same formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x2, this is x1, this is y2, this is y1. I have put the values and get the answer, root 61 meter. So distance between the two flags is root 61 meter. And another question, position of the blue flag posted by Reshmi, C, xy, and C is the point of just half of the A and B. So CXY is the midpoint of A and B. So x equal to, by midpoint theorem, 2 plus 8 by 2 means x coordinate of A and x coordinate of B. It is 2 is the x coordinate of A, 8 is the x coordinate of B. So it is x1, it is x2. Formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 5. And y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. So 45 by 2, 22.5. So Reshmi posted the flag at point C, whose coordinate is 5 comma 22.5. That is on the fifth line at a distance of 22.5 meter from AB. Okay,